Boom, what up? It's calisthenics athlete AJ here, and today's video is gonna be about learning the Superman push-up, starting progression by progression, starting from the bottom. So this video is aimed at beginners, but if you're intermediate or any higher level, you can just start at the level you're at and just progress from there. It does not matter. And through each progression, this video is gonna help you get the power, strength, and explosiveness that you need for the Superman push-up. So let's get to it.